A beef on weck. So this is my upstate-style roast beef sandwich. First things first, get the oven on like 450. We'll work with that later, but just want to get that preheated. And I am taking, you know what this is, Jeff? Come on, Mr.
Chucky.
Uh-huh.
It's a sirloin.
It's a eye of the round, top
Eye
round.
of round.
So we need some spices for this, and all these are dry spices. This is what's really the key to this. It should be dry spices, not fresh herbs, okay? We're just gonna put some meat glue or Dijon mustard on, so so it just adheres. So just get this room temperature, remember, so it roasts evenly. You know, that's secret.
Why are you departing from the Zakarian credo of fresh herbs and going dry here?
It's what they do, and it's so good. I like, why mess with it with fresh
Maybe
herbs?
the texture, right? It's like a rub.
You're not gonna taste really the mustard. It just really helps get everything adhered. So we're doing oregano, parsley, dried parsley. You can put dried thyme. I'm just getting, whatever I add in the box, I like.
This would be good use of the dried Italian seasoning with like all
that together.
All the herbs.
It's a great idea, Jeff.
I know.
So there's some sage, oregano, and you can use Mexican oregano. I like Mexican oregano. Do you use that? I think
Love it, floral.
it's really very floral. And then we are gonna salt it like there's no tomorrow.
So your seasoning, I mean, clearly on all sides.
Yes.
Critical.
Critical. A good amount of pepper, but we're gonna put a ton of pepper in the sauce, which is really the best part of this is, I think, the sauce and that thing right there, which I'm gonna show you about. All right, so, again, this is a big hunk of meat. My oven is on 450. We're gonna start it out high, and then we're gonna drop it down for about 20 minutes to 300 and let it get to an internal temperature. People ask me how long, how many pounds per minute. I'm like, I don't go like that. It's just, I can't think like that. We're looking for an internal temp of 110 to 115. Bring it out and let it actually get cold and rest. So let's not get ahead of ourselves, Jeff.
Yes.
Let's put this in here. A piece of rosemary. I don't know if Charlie put rosemary on that, Charlie the butcher, but I'm doing it anyways. I like it. Some Worcestershire sauce. Some soy sauce.
So all that's just gonna mix with those meat drippings
Oh,
and get
you got it,
super
Katie.
delicious.
And some beef juice. This is where, I would say, forget the vegetable stock or chicken stock. You need beef stock for this one.
Yes.
All right. You ready? So I brought this out, and I'm resting it until it gets room
Look at
temperature or
that.
cold. So this is just, it's chilled, but we're gonna slice it in a minute. First, we have to make the sauce.
Oh, it
Ready for the
smells
sauce?
so beefy in here right
So
now.
if you're going to the game, you can make this, put it in your cooler, bring it, slice it up, and make your sandwiches.
Yes. So we have now some sour cream, some cider vinegar, a boatload of horseradish. Really important that it has nose feel, because this is it's dense meat, and you really want to.
Nose heat.
Is that
Especially
a
at the
culinary
end.
term?
No, I just made
Nose
that up.
feel?
It sounds like you just made it up. Sounds like something I would say.
And again, a good amount of pepper. This is really very important that this is spicy and peppery, because this is a relatively fat-free piece of meat, and you need this to sort of.
Oh,
give it
good.
some
I can have
taste.
double this.
Free.
Fat-free.
Sign me
Except
up.
for the butter.
Give
on
me
top.
extra sauce in that
know.
case.
All right, here's our, just smelling it makes me go crazy. All right, that's done. But then the beef, the weck, this is the roll. It's a soft roll, right? It's sort of like very airy, almost brioche-like.
Kaiser-like.
Kaiser Sosa roll.
There's
Jeffrey,
no Kaiser
what does
Sose
on
rolls
weck
here.
mean?
On
My
weck.
favorite.
It's just a
Favorite
roll.
baseball player.
The beef on weck, and I'm gonna make it right now, all right? A lot of melted butter.
Well, the full name for the roll is a Kummelweck roll.
Yes, Kemmelweck. So, caraway seeds, a good amount of them on top. You're just gonna pop this in the oven for 5 or 6 minutes just so it just sets, right?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And then a lot of salt, again, but salt that
Coarse.
doesn't, coarse
Coarse
salt.
salt.
Or
Coarse.
sanding salt, right? What do they call that? Sanding salt?
Sure. Well, it's sandy sugar, but we're making up a
When you
lot of
put it on
things.
an apple tart,
Like
sanding
flaky
sugar.
sea salt would be good, right? Like
Yeah, but this is really chunky. You want this to get in your teeth.
Coarse salt, right?
Yeah. Just set it, right? And forget it 5 minutes.
5
minutes. Just set it. That's all
I
you want.
trust you.
Are you ready to have a Sandy?
I'm ready. I sat in the right seat today.
Yes, you did. Okay.
Sauce, meat, bread.
Yes.
Done. Classic.
Okay, so we need sauce. So, Jeff, I like to put the sauce on the bottom.
And why is
It is
that?
controversial, but in this application, because I know you're gonna put some more of the drippings on the top, right?
And here's what I like to do also, some shaved onion, but very, very,
Wow.
very finely
And
shaved.
That's like a
yellow or
deli
white
slicer.
onion. Ooh.
Yeah, right. A little more, just I know you like onions, Katie.
Man, I tell you what, I'm gonna be tasting this all day long.
Yeah,
I
you
can
will.
already
Just
tell
when you
starting the
think that
day
you-
off.
Yep.
Slice it here, so you can
Oh, I
see.
want that little end piece.
This is a good time if you have a gas-powered deli slicer at the tailgate to rip it up.
Oh, I got an amuse-bouche.
Can you see that? So, you see how nicely it's cooked all the way through? Mm-hmm. That's when you rest it, when you make sure that you start at room temperature. Oh.
And you need a really sharp knife to get those
So I'm gonna
nice
put a little, I
thin-
have this, this is the secret sauce that came off the pan, and we just strained it and put it in here. It's just, it's everything the mustard, the oregano, sage.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
gonna drop it in here.
Just a quick dip, right?
It's a little dip in the swimming pool,
That's it.
a quick dip. You know, no shampoo. We're not shampooing our hair today.
Wow.
Okay, Katie.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna,
Double sauce application, top, bottom.
Oh,
Whoa.
this is gonna clear my
all-
sinuses.
Breaking all the rules today, this guy.
Katie, you changed your whole body like she hunched down.
She did the bite. She wore the sandwich sweater, so she get.
Oh. My God.
so that's really the first thing I had when I got to Buffalo. Even before I got to the future in-laws' house.
That's unbelievable. Okay, first of all, the bun is so soft and having that salt and the caraway seeds, I got it all over me, right? All over.
It's okay.
At least I didn't get any on me, but it's still
The day is young.
early.
Yeah.
And then the beef is so tender. And dipping it in that sauce just gives you this burst of flavor.